All right, today we are seeing Will It Smoke. Here I have some candied jalapenos. I'm going to show you how I made them, and we're going to see how long it takes to smoke them at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to start with 30 minutes. That might be enough. I put them here on a parchment paper lined baking tray, and let's get in the kitchen. I'll show you how to make them. When I have the Traeger running, I'm a big fan of just loading it up with whatever I can find in my kitchen that would be interesting to smoke. So I found 2 jalapenos, sliced them up thin, and then I put a little bit of brown sugar on top. That's all I did here. It's definitely important to have the baking sheet below them to keep them flat, and so they're not going to stick to the grill grates. So once I did that, it was time to take them out to the smoker. The pellet grill was set to 250 degrees Fahrenheit because I was smoking a spatchcock chicken also with jalapenos on it. You can find that recipe on the SipBiteGo YouTube channel. I published it last week. I popped them in for 30 minutes at first, and then I went to check on them. I'm going to let the candied jalapenos go for about 15 minutes more. There was still some sugar that had not yet caramelized or candied on them, so I want that sugar to melt. Next time, maybe I would put the sugar on differently. Maybe I would melt some butter with it and dip it in with the brown sugar. So I'll do something a little bit differently next time, but they do still look really tasty. I just want them to crisp up a little bit. All right, the best part of what I do is taste testing. I did end up smoking these at 250 for about 45 to 50 minutes. That was when the brown sugar caramelized enough and I didn't need to add butter or anything. Whew, it looks so good, but you can definitely still see a lot of the spices, the seeds on it. And you know what, I've just rested this for maybe 3 minutes and they're coming out nice and crispy. That caramelized vibe I'm going for. So let's pick one that doesn't have a lot of seeds because my mouth will be on fire. So good. It's kind of got that cowboy caviar vibe. Buggies. Whew. Tasty. Spicy, but tasty. Gotta try this. It's summer here in Texas and I've been grilling up a storm. Make sure to check out my free barbecue ebook you can pick up at SipBiteGo.com and stay tuned for more tasty things that you should try cooking in your own backyard. Cheers.